Dealing with frustrating in-game visual issues can halt your fun. But after personally encountering these problems and testing numerous solutions, I've discovered effective ways to restore your game's graphics, and I'm excited to share these with you. This guide will help you fix Air Sprite Model visual glitch and Backbling texture problems permanently. First, when game files become corrupted or go missing, your computer struggles to draw characters or items correctly. Verifying game files is like checking every piece of a puzzle to ensure it's all there and fits perfectly, replacing any broken parts so the game can show everything as it should. Next, your graphics driver acts as the translator between your computer's brain and its drawing hand. If this translator is old or contains errors, the drawing hand receives incorrect instructions, causing sprites to look strange or textures to not appear at all. Updating it gives your computer the newest, clearest instructions for drawing. Sometimes, your game's settings are simply too high for your computer to manage, or they conflict with each other. This can force your computer to struggle with rendering, leading to visual problems. Lowering specific settings or adjusting how the game draws things reduces the effort needed from your computer, allowing it to display visuals smoothly. Finally, your computer saves temporary drawings called shaders to load game elements faster. If these saved drawings get messed up, your game will continue to display the wrong visuals. Clearing this cache is like erasing a bad sketch, so the computer has to draw it fresh and correctly the next time.